The easier introduction goes that I am one of those 5 sisters who have all qualified the CSS exam. Though the name is Sindhi, but I belong very much to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And my father was one of those people who broke the chains. He actually belonged to a family where women were not sent to school. They were married off when they were kids. But he somehow growing up started believing that all of this is wrong. This should not be happening. And the change began at his own home. So he started teaching the only 5 daughters he had, because we have no brothers at all. So I usually tell everyone that we were not brought up to fit in, as most of the girls are. We were brought up to lead, and that is what we are doing. So make sure what you are teaching your kids, because they are going to become that. Hats off to the administration of the college, and hats off to the people, the colleagues of literary secretary. In Gomal Medical College, we did not have the presidents. So the head of the college would be the literary secretary. So our literary secretary was the president of the college. And when I was in my first year, I very blatantly said that I'll be the literary secretary of this college one day. And I was very clearly told by the medicine and gynae department of ours that we do not make girls the literary secretary here. They do not do the job as well as the men do. So hats off to the literary secretary of this college for proving them wrong and proving that they can do a great job. So, every classroom actually holds a future officer, a future leader, a future healer, and most of you sitting here are one of them. So, being a civil servant and being in this position, it is such a responsibility. It's not just passing exams. It is basically standing at the gates of your country and saying, I'm here to serve. And it's not just the civil servants who do that. You are doing the civil service as doctors as well. So, when I was a doctor and I was told by the family, and I had a plan in my mind as well that I'll go for this civil service exam, there were a number of people out there who misguided like anything in the world. And this is very unfortunate. As a nation, when it comes to pulling each other up, we don't do that. So if somebody gets something, he or she would start misguiding others. So I hope that you hold that torch, because I did. And when I would go around asking people, there was no help given. So I did CSS, I did qualify it, but a very hard way. So I made a page called Sasi's Life on Instagram, and I started guiding people. I would like to salute all the doctors who are actually doing their job so well. You do not just hold scalpels and stethoscopes. You actually hold the hopes of people, which are in their hearts. Every prescription that you write, every patient that you comfort is a form of nation building. You are not spending your time on one person. You are actually spending your time in nation building and serving Pakistan. Stay humble, stay humble, stay humble. Arrogance is something which does not suit any human being, especially the doctors. I would like to end on the few words of Mr. Faiz. He was very heartbroken when he said that, निसार में तेरी गलियों के ए वतन के जहां, निसार में तेरी गलियों के ए वतन के जहां, चली है रस्म के कोई न सर उठा के चल. Stand tall and only kneel and put your head down in front of one entity, and it is Allah Almighty, nobody else. Don't be afraid to speak the truth. Keep growing, keep serving, and keep learning. Thank you very much for having me here.